Gary? Hello? Get a hair up his nose. You know what it feels like having your hairs everywhere? Yeah, he's scratching nose. Looks like he might have a gooky eye as well, actually.
Fucking contracted Liam's gooky eye.
What have they two been doing together? He's been eyeballing each other.